Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2005 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, the first year of the C6. Fabulous looking car, black on black. Nice looking spider wheels. We'll get back to that in a second. Have a look at it from the back. It's the classic round taillights, two round taillights with the quadruport exhaust down the back there, and a smart looking car it is. It does have a car cover with it. That's what's in the bag. It's got the clips to hold the top. When the top comes off, it goes right in those clips there and there, that little clip there. And underneath in here, you've got some seat belt covers and your wheel locks in there. This is your emergency release for the door, your emergency release for the gas door, and then over here is another little storage compartment right in there. Clean, tidy, just a beautiful car. Have a look in the seams. It's clean and just beautiful. It has the cargo area cover, which is awesome, so that when you look inside you don't see what's in the trunk. And let's have a look here. It's got big mud flaps that have been added to try to keep the stone chips down. Spider wheels with the silver black wheels is what they call that, with the Michelin tires. And on the inside here, it is just a beautiful car. It is a 1SB, so it's got the upgraded seats with the perforated leather seat inserts. It has the multifunction adjustments there for the side lumbar, side bolster and lumbar. It's got WeatherTech mats in it, not because it was driven in the winter, but just because they wanted to protect it. Have a look in the door frames there and you'll see it's clean and tidy, just beautiful. The books are with the car, and we'll just slide over here and I'll show you the codes. You can see that Z51 code right there, which is the suspension and the brakes that I was telling you about, the cross-drilled rotors. So it's got the Bose sound system and a bunch of other features. We'll get to those on the other side. It's got a glass roof in it, which looks black from the outside, but as you can see, it lets light in and it's sort of bluish on the inside. So good looking car. So we'll close that door. Mirror's in great shape. It's got gill covers in there, and then here's your front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. Nice looking Michelin tires, cross-drilled rotors. We have not yet painted the calipers or the rotors on it, and we will do that as we get to it. This is the LS2 400 horsepower engine. Looks like K&N filter. Is that what that is? Let me get over there and check that out for you. And have a look. It's clean, it's tidy, the hood mat's clean. It's just in fabulous shape. Go around it. I know there's a stone chip right there. No big deal. We'll touch that up and polish it out. It'll be there still, but it won't be anywhere near as obtrusive. So yeah, that's a K&N filter right there. Beautiful. So just awesome. Well cared for, well loved, clean, tidy, good looking car. So let's close that, and now we can just go around that front one more time and just see. There might be a little stone chip right there, which we'll touch up as well. Just beautiful. Nice looking car. Headlights are in great shape. They're nice and clear. And we'll go around to this side here where you'll see that, yes, there is no curb rash on that beautiful rim with the Michelin tires and cross-drilled rotors, and the same on the back. And those are giant size tires on the back. That is amazing. Let me just see if I can get you a tire size here so that we can put this in perspective. So it should be 285s, and it's 325/30 ZR19s on the back. 325/30 ZR19s. So that's a monster size tire. As you'll see here, the original size tire was 285/35. So those are a big upgrade in wheels and tires. Have a look on the driver's door here. We've got the driver memory package, power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. We've got heads-up display, auto headlamps, cruise control, all there. There's your WeatherTech mats. Again, you've got multifunction seat adjustments for the driver and passenger. The seat's in great shape, as you can see, no rips or tears or anything. We'll just climb in now and we'll fire this one up. Nice, sounds great, runs perfect. There'll be no lights on by the time it runs through its cycle here. And 38,183 kilometers on it. Nice CD player, automatic air conditioning, which, you know, you can do dual zones, as you can see there. And then you've got heated seats as well. The automatic, which is a 4-speed automatic in 2005. In here, you've got a nice console area with a power outlet right there. And you've got the compass in the mirror up there, which is adjustable. There's your glass roof, which is fabulous. And the nice leather wrapped steering wheel with tilt and telescopic. So there it is. And again, just 38,000 kilometers. That's very nice. Down here is your gas door and your power trunk. And this up here is your dimmer switch and interior light switch. And again, this is your heads-up display. So yeah, it runs beautiful, sounds great, nice car. Have a look on the door frames as I'm getting out. Climb up to the front here and just check that out. Good looking car. Super. So no scrapes or bumps or bruises. Really well loved car. We have not yet polished the paint, but we will do that before it goes out. It's a good looking machine. Listen to that rumble. Nice rumble. That's awesome. Nice wide fenders on it. Good looking machine. So there you have it, folks. That is a 2005 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 1SB, and it's here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Okay, I look forward to seeing you real soon.